everyone, it's Tarnished Treasures, and I have some yard sale and rummage sale finds to share with you. We will start with the rummage sale. I found a silverware keeper. I have been on the hunt for one of these since Monday, and it is now Sunday, and I found one. I'm very excited to put that to use. I found some pillows, and they all worked out to be $6 a piece. I picked them up because they have down inserts, and the foam cushioning or whatever, you know, the fake stuff that's in the pillows in this house does not work with the kids. I needed something that was fluffier and stood up to them. So I was happy to find these. I feel like $6 is a good price for a down insert. So I'm going to take the covers off and wash them up and put my own covers, although I think that these are very nice. And the rest from the sale is linens. I purchased 2 doilies, and I love when the flower is raised up like this. So there were 2 of that style. Then I think this might be one of my favorites. And when you look up close, it's actually individual strings, but from a distance, it almost reads like flat ribbons. And it's got little tassels. So pretty, and I think it looks really nice on top of this little pillowcase here. So there's 2 pillowcases. Actually, they're big pillowcases. I believe that this yellow color is silk. I believe. Could be wrong. It's made to look like silk. And then the back is this pink. So it's an interesting, cheery color combination. So even though these are large, I could always cut them down and make something smaller. And I think like letting color peek through something like this could really showcase this. And the nice thing about rummage sales is like linens really are affordable there. So I picked up the pair of those. I picked up these 2 long runners, and I really like the style of lace that has the raised edges. But I really picked these up because as I was looking at these, I saw that they were patched, and there was a patch here, and then I'd look a little further down and I saw another patch, and then I saw another patch and another patch, and I just loved the story that told. And when I held these up, I feel like each one had about 10 patches on it, and I thought, wow, someone loved these so much that they kept patching them. I just had to pick them up. Like you can see this whole section back here, and it blends in really well. Like if I put these on the table and had stuff on it, I don't think anyone would notice, but I love holding them up and seeing the patches. I'll try and hold it up and see if you can see better. Oh yeah, there we go. So when you hold it up like that, it was wild. I just thought it was one little patch until I just kept finding them. I'm just happy someone didn't throw it away. How many does this one have? It's funny, it shows up better like this. This sheet was a really awesome find. It has the most beautiful border on it that says Mr. Mrs. And when I saw this, it was folded up and very crisp, as if it had never been used or once and put away. So it had like yellowing on the edges. It seemed pretty stiff. And I just washed this with just a little bit of bleach. It's machine embroidered, so I knew it was fine in the washing machine. And when I opened up the washer, it's just so crisp and white. And it's funny how if like you're at a sale and you see something, just how a little freshening up will make it look brand new. Even the embroidery looked a little gray, and now it is just white. So I'm heating up the iron, and it's a nice top sheet, queen size, or it could even fit a full, just hang down a little bit longer. I thought that was such a unique and beautiful piece, so I'm definitely going to use that. Share this. This is what my son picked up at the rummage sale, and since we were working, he was reading these books the entire time we were there, like 3 hours, and he was in heaven. So on to the yard sale things. I got a rod. I only have one for the guest bedroom, so I needed another because I had found some that were free in the neighborhood, but they were too skinny and bent, so they just weren't working out. So this one was $1. Very happy to get that. And then really excited about these. These say that they're underglaze pencils. So I have one for my classroom because it's $15. I just got black. So I'm very happy to have these other colors, and I really hope they work because I paid $1/4 instead of $15 a piece. And it's really funny to keep this very, very short. The lady had a booth or a couple booths at this antique store that's very close. And we thought that she had stopped selling there. Well, it turned out that she actually just moved booths. And the booth that she has now is the one that at 4th of July, we were oohing and eyeing over everything and talking about how much nicer it looked and how the stuff was pretty and good prices. And it turned out that this lady was having a yard sale, and she had taken a lot of stuff from her booth, the stuff that we had eyed up, and drastically reduced it. And it was still at her yard sale on the second day when we went. So this is what I paid for. And then I got some awesome free stuff as well. So as we're talking to her, I said, oh, you're the booth that has the little basket on the ground with all the cool pin cushions. And she walked over and handed us 3 of them. So they were for sale at the antique booth between $6 and $12. The larger they were and the more pins they had were more expensive. So she had marked it down to $2. So this one was $10. I got it for $2. My mother-in-law got 2 of them. It's just so funny that we said that to her before we even realized it was her booth and that it was at the sale. So I picked up the darker one that has these 2 like wood-looking pins in them. She had this piece marked at $4, and it is a soldier saying goodbye to his mother. And then we've got just this beautiful hand embroidery, and I just love that font. Look at the D, just gorgeous and excellent condition. And there's the back. And then this is the last thing that I had noticed at 4th of July. I was so happy that she pulled this. So I didn't remember what she had her original price at, but this is what she has written, and $8, and it's underneath what the original price was at the booth. She wanted $20. And I just had to get it, especially because I was thinking about it. So it's this beautiful cobalt color. It says autograph album, and it's just got like poems and signatures, and it says January 7th, 1882. So I'm definitely gonna put this in the guest room. I think it'll be nice, and I could put some perfume bottles or something on top, or who knows what. I think I'm actually getting my secretary tomorrow, so this might be something nice to put in there. And it's just filled. Oh, look, a little drawing. So I don't know, is this, I have no clue where this is from. Henderson, maybe Illinois? Oh, look, there's a little scrap in there. Just beautiful. I'll have to take some time to read it, but it's nice when you find little drawings. Or, oh, here's one, Forget Me Not. And that one is on Halloween, 1881. We are all placed here to do something. It is for us and not for others to find out what that something is. And then with all the energy of which we are capable, honestly and prayerfully, to be gone about our business. Well, I like that advice. Ooh, what's that? It's like some silk with some painting. We've got a receipt from 1943. Very nice. This was in the free box. I guess because it was the second day, I don't know. So there are these little doilies, and they do say made in China, but with an older looking tag. I just think they look awesome. So I picked that up. And then look, so this would have been $1, but she put it in the free bin, and it's hand monogrammed with an S. And then this is so cool, from the free bin, Banner Metal Tone Junior Tableware, you know, and it was in the box, so you're like, you don't know what's going to be when you open it up. A child's full set of silverware with salt and pepper shakers, a pie server, a butter knife. Isn't that so awesome? Free. And I didn't see a price tag, so I don't know what she was asking for that the day before. So maybe it even worked out better that we didn't go on the first day. And this is starched and pristine, and it has tulips up here. This looks like it's never been used. I did read, though, that you will get a longer life out of your linens if you use them, if you roll them when you store them, and if you don't starch them, because they said starch could invite insects that want to eat it. So this will get washed and used. And then what did I buy? The last piece I got was this medicine cabinet for only $3. And the house I bought it at was featured on an episode of American Pickers. And it's this local man who lived in the town, and he passed away. He didn't have any family, so things got auctioned off, and someone bought the house, and they're totally redoing it. And it's a gorgeous house with like a garage carriage house. So I was very excited to stop at that sale to kind of spy on the backyard, see what it looked like. And I specifically asked if this had come out of the house, and the girl said yes. So you can't beat that price for $3. Eventually we will redo our bathrooms, and I really like the way this looks. I love this inset beveled mirror, clean lines. I think put this with the right materials in a bathroom and it will look awesome. Little glass knob could be added. So it's just metal, it's kind of heavy, and you can see it's had a couple coats of paint, so that would have to be stripped off and, you know, redone, but that's no big deal. So I'm just gonna tuck that away into the attic, and when it's time for us to do the bathrooms, I will have a $3 medicine cabinet. And the inside has 2 shelves. Kind of think I have it upside down right now, but that's okay. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.